Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the woman who born in the Capricorns or Magar Rashi. The physical appearances of the girls who born in the Capricorn, it is a earthy and movable sign of the zodiac. Women born under that sign have prominent featuring usually thin and long or prominent nose, thick neck, long chin, dark or black hair, short in early age, but the pros told suddenly after 6 years of age. The constitutions too improves with the age. As age advances, you may become honey-backed, a scar on the knee cap, or at least a mole. Capricorn can be stocky and muscular, thin and wiry, or plump and soft. No matter how that body is shaped, she will give the impression of being rooted to the spot. You ladies have straight, lank, dark hair, dark steady eyes, and swarthy olive or tan complexions. Often eyes are blue. There is always a faint aura of melancholy and seriousness surrounding their personality. Many of you have strong feet and wear sensible shoes. Many Capricorn women have sensitive skin. They do not wear much makeup. Lots of them are allergic to it, but nature rewarded them with natural beauty, and that needs little gliding. Some of them starting you with lovely complexions, firm feature, and bright eyes at the age of 80 and older. If Saturn is powerful and Saturn is in the Lagna or in the Libra, the person will get the Shasha Mahayoga that will give him all comforts in life, and the age will be more than 80. Mental tendencies: Capricorn are economical, prudent, self-willed, reserved, pensive, thoughtful, and of practical nature. Calculations and business like secretary, quite much mental ingenuity and fertility. Changeable, capricious, and will have push and confidence. Personality: she can be ultra feminine, filtrous, and charming enough to make a man feel like a giant and grazing fear. When advantageous to her, will not hesitate to change her career, being of the materializing mind. She has a special organizing capacity with good tolerance and patience and steady nature. So many Capricorn girls are career ladies. To them, love and marriage is second choice. They want respect, security, authority, and position. With love, you have a point. With marriage, no. One may or the other you get your recognition. On the other hand, do not think that she will never sacrifices her career for marriage. Just give this girl half a chance to be social leader and mistress of a well-run household. She will work to help you. Won't be lazy. She is happier enjoying her position as a wife, provided the position is good one and there is enough financial security. Any man who is involved with such a lady should learn a haste fact that she is more even to, tempered and emotionally steady than she actually is. She is subjected to many modes, will brood for days, weeks, and even for months, but sadness, gloominess, pessimism, and depression is much more deeply rooted on her face. She cannot accept fasting, lighting, so keep it at a minimum. Health, Capricorn should remain in cheerful mood and among youngsters taking stimulating and hot food and laxes. They should do regular exercises, never jump and fall down. This will lead her to good health. Capricorns are depressed, gloomy, disconnected, and worried. Gradually, their digestive system will become weak and may cause trouble. So, avoid all this. Financial and fortunes. You are desirous of name, fame, and money. By sheer constant work, you gain money steadily. Your conservatives will not mind difficulties, handicaps, and handcranes, but will work to gain success. You do not miss any chance and opportunity and do not speculate. You know value of money, will invest carefully and save slowly and steadily. Economized and trustworthy, wide awake as you do not expect any withdrawal. The your Capricorn damsels can be something of social butterfly. You will have number of children but will not mix with them and do not allow them to go beyond limits. Keep them under control and you will not antagonize them. Children will be affected as age of advance. Then you should not be selfish, egoistic, and pessimistic. You should not become desperate and broken hearted. Should not overtax yourself while doing overwork and exerting too much. Take plenty of rest to maintain your health. Lucky days Friday, Tuesday, Saturday, and Wednesday are your favorite days. Days of worries and expenses are Sunday, Monday, and Thursday. Speculation Tuesday and Friday, invest on Saturday, sign domestic contracts, etc. on Tuesday. Lucky numbers are 6, 8, 9. Avoid 3. Other numbers are passive. Favorite colors are white, black, red and blue. Avoid yellow and cream colors. Day of fast is Saturday. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with the Aquarius Lagna